What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, I'm so happy you joined me today because today we are talking about something completely different, and we're going into the topic of brand ambassador deals. Make sure you stay tuned until the very end because I have a special surprise to show you guys, and I also have a super cool discount code to give you. So today we're talking about brand ambassador deals. I first want to start off because you guys are probably wondering, what the heck is a brand ambassador? I was there wondering what a brand ambassador was, so I'm sure people have that question. I'll just go right into the definition that I pulled off of Google because Google is our friend. So it states that a brand ambassador is a person who is hired by an organization or a company to represent a brand in a positive light, and by doing so to increase brand awareness and sales. In result, you get compensated for your time. So yeah, brand ambassador is just a company who either needs help promoting their products or their services, and they reach out to influencers like me and you, and we pretty much promote them on our platforms on social media, and in hopes for our followers to click on the link and they can go purchase whatever we're promoting, and they also in return will get a discounted code or something like that. Whew, girl, that was a lot. So you want to be a brand ambassador for a deal? This is exactly how you do it. The first way I'm going to talk about is just my experience of what happened for me as a very small YouTuber and just trying to get my foot in the door. Pretty much what I started doing is I took it seriously. I took it seriously. This is a job. I may not be getting paid right now, but I know in the future I will be, and I'm taking it very seriously. So change your mindset to a professional business mindset and take it very seriously about what you're doing. Y'all, I do not have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I do not have 4,000 watch hours. I am not monetized, but guess what? We on our way there. We are on our way there. So if that is something that brands want to see, is consistency and what are they actually been doing. So a great way to see this is I want you guys to go back on whatever social media platform that you're using, whether it's YouTube or Instagram or Facebook. Just go back for the last 3 months, and I want you to look at your work and look at, have I been being consistent? Has the quality of my work in these past 3 months gotten better? So me, little old Leah, as always Aleia, I have 5 brand ambassador deals right now. Yes, 5. Now, this is the first time I'm actually coming out and talking about these deals because they are so new. Some of them are still in the works, but the one I want to talk about today is ActiveWear. I am actually wearing their jacket right now. You guys can get this for 15% off with my discount. I will link my coupon code below so you can go and use it and shop till you drop, honey. I'm just going to go ahead and talk a little bit more about ActiveWear and how I found out about them as a small YouTuber, how they accepted me as a brand ambassador, as a small influencer. So brands and companies are already going to have ads that are targeted towards the people who are searching for those keywords. So if you're searching for a brand ambassador deal on Instagram, on YouTube, or on Google, you're going to just start to see them on your Instagram as you're scrolling, how you see like the ads and stuff pop up. They're going to be like, brand ambassadors, apply here or something like that, and you'll see like an ad for it. That's the time that you might want to go ahead and click on it, look at their website, look at their page, see if that's a company that you want to work with. Do a little digging on what the company stands for, because at the end of the day, their name is on you, your name is on them, so you just want to make sure that it's a good fit. Again, once you start looking for these brand ambassador deals, you just automatically will start seeing them as you're scrolling. Why am I going like this? Why am I going like this? I'm just like showing you guys how I scroll. You'll automatically start to see the advertisements for the brand ambassador deals once you start researching it. They'll come, I promise you. They came for me and I'm like, whoa, like what? This person has an opening for a brand ambassador deal. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to apply. Like, that's what you're supposed to do. Don't be afraid to take the leap. If you never try, you will always fail. Now, the first way, which we just went over, is to apply through the application once you see it, or you can hop up in their DM and tell them all about you and why you want to partner with them. Yes, you can, and I've done it so many times. Sometimes companies get back to me, sometimes they don't. It's just the matter of the game. But again, if you do not shoot your shot, you will always miss 100% of the time. If you see that there's a company that you may like, introduce yourself professionally, tell them who you are, tell them why you're reaching out, and make sure you have some type of portfolio put together so that when they are looking at your Instagram, or they may ask you to send them some pictures or videos of previous things that you have done, make sure you're prepared for those questions. I also do it a lot on my Instagram, and I talk about reviews a lot on my social media platforms, so that just kind of tells them that, hey, this person's already in that mindset of reviewing products, why not we give them a chance. Those are pretty much the two ways that you can become a brand ambassador. Either one, wait for the ad and then you can go ahead and apply. If you see it on the company's social media platform that they are currently taking in brand ambassadors, then you can go ahead and apply that way. Or you could just reach out to them and tell them about yourself, and maybe they might not be open for brand ambassadors at this time, but you can ask them in the future, will you be open, or are you guys quarterly, seasonal, how does it work, so you can be prepared the next time they are ready to have a brand ambassador deal. You can have it marked on your calendar already, because they have already told you, yes, we are having openings starting, the first day of summer or something like that. So you'll already be prepared because you reached out to this company in advance and already told them about yourself. So just because you may not get a deal right then and there, just still be professional and just to ask them, if there are any opportunities in the future, just please let me know. And most of the times they probably will. So this is the activewear shirt right here. You can see it says Acta. I am a brand ambassador for this company. Pretty much I did see their advertisement that they were taking in new brand ambassadors, because I was already searching in Google and those were like my keywords. So Google was targeting me because the brand was targeting the keyword, if that makes any sense at all. So with activewear, they had an ad run on Instagram as I started my search, and they were probably one of the first deals that I saw, and I was so excited because I enjoy working out. Like, it is so therapeutic for me. So for this to be like an activewear company, I'm so happy to be representing them. So I'm gonna go ahead and just insert this on the screen so I can show you what it actually looks like when you're accepted into the team. As you can see, the first thing it says is welcome to the team, and then you're gonna have some steps to follow. Now each company is going to be different. I'm just going to show you guys like what personally happened to me, but as you can see, they're saying step one, I need to just take 60 seconds to go ahead and register. You will receive a personal referral URL so that customers can click on that, or your followers can click on it, and then they can type in your promo code when they go to checkout so they can get a discounted rate. Once the customer checks out, you will receive a commission off of that sell. You also do receive with this company special offers and achievements and exclusive early access, which is pretty cool. And as you can see, these are the brand ambassador benefits right here. So you can see the brand ambassador benefits for activewear is you will get 30% off on lifetime deals, and that's including early bird access as well. You also get 15% off for all friends and families and your followers. If they do want to use your promo code, they can. And each time somebody purchases, I get 5% commission on everything, which is really cool. Now, if I keep scrolling, you will see that there are some requirements here for activewear. I do have to post on my social media at least once a month on my story or my page, and I also need to tag them in the post as well. You need to be wearing whatever their product is, and it's promoted once a month pretty much, and that's the only requirement that I'm seeing. So it's super easy. I went ahead and just thanked them so much for accepting me. Once I accepted the deal, I went on the back end of the website and just set up my URL code and my promo code, so you guys are able to click on my link and use my promo code when you're shopping for a discounted rate. As I was doing my research for this video, some of the more advanced or people who had a larger following base said that they don't accept deals like this because they have to go and purchase the product and then they have to promote the product, which is like kind of like, what am I getting out on my end? It's like, yeah, you're getting 5% commission, but remember, those are huge followers with like hundreds of thousands of followers when you are first starting out. And I mean, this is just my personal experience. For me, first starting out, I don't mind purchasing the product and then promoting it just because I'm such a small YouTuber. I hope in the future that brands will just start sending me stuff and putting me on their PR packages and things like that. But as of right now, I'm too small, so I do have to kind of wiggle myself in there. I might have to purchase the product and promote it, but it's okay, because one day a brand of your liking is going to come to you and ask you, what have you done, that we can see? Can you send us your portfolio? And you'll be like, yeah, even though I purchased these products and promoted them, for a small commission rate or whatever, I have so much to show because of this. I have an entire portfolio to show you because I've been doing stuff for free, or I've taken it upon myself to just go the extra mile. And that's really what I guess brands want to see, in my opinion. They just want to make sure that you have a portfolio full of things that you can show them and show off your work and show them that you are an active person on social media and you are constantly trying to boost your followers and just be an influencer. I cannot wait to get there, but this is just the start of my journey. I really hope that this helped you guys. The biggest takeaway that I want you guys to know is that you have to be consistent and do not be afraid to reach out to these companies. If you know that your work is good and if you know that you're striving to become better every day, why not just take the risk? Especially if they're saying, hey, we're accepting deals at this moment. Reach out to them if it's something that is in your niche and that you want to do. Guys, without further ado, I did promise you a little bit something special at the end, so I am going to show you this teaser that I have right here. Since this is my first brand ambassador deal, I definitely wanted to do something special and create this phenomenal teaser to just show you guys my hard work that's been paying off. This is my discount code. This is the jacket that I purchased from my first brand ambassador deal. I'm so excited to be sharing it with you guys right now. Please go out on Activewear, check out their website. I'll have all their information linked below where you can use my URL and my discount code to go ahead and purchase something for yourself at a discounted rate on me. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This is As Always Aleia. My name is Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you in the next one. Activewear, deuces.